Hey everyone, so are you having trouble logging into Dropbox? Maybe your password isn't working, the login page keeps refreshing, or you can't access your account at all. Yeah, that can be really frustrating when you need your files fast. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple ways to fix Dropbox login problems in 2026, and most of these steps only take a few minutes. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Dropbox needs a reliable connection to process logins, so check your Wi-Fi or wired network and ensure it's working properly. Double check that you're entering the correct email and password. If you're unsure, try resetting your password using the Forgot Password link on the login page. Sometimes old cached data can prevent login. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then reload the Dropbox login page. If you're using a VPN or proxy, it may interfere with Dropbox login. Try temporarily disabling it and then logging in again. Occasionally, Dropbox servers may be down. Visit the Dropbox status page to make sure the service is online before troubleshooting further. If you're using the desktop or mobile app, make sure it's updated. If issues persist, try reinstalling the app. This often resolves login glitches caused by outdated or corrupted files. And that's it. Most Dropbox login problems can be fixed by checking your connection, verifying your credentials, or updating the app. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.